The Yankees and the Twins in the Bronx on Friday. It's the 60th anniversary celebration of the historic 1956 season by Mickey Mantle, his two sons David and Danny, with the ceremonial first pitches. We pick it up bottom three. Yanks down 2-0 as Carlos Beltran digs in.
That one's driven into the corner in left field. Let's see if they send Gardner. He is motoring around the bases. They're waving him home. The throw is not in time. And it gets past Suzuki, and Malone backs up. So another ribby for Beltran, a double, and the Yankees are on the board as 2-1 Twins. Here's A-Rod, singled sharply to left in the second. Ground ball, base hit through the left side. Can Beltran score? Here he comes. Here's the throw. He's in there. And A-Rod will go to second on the throw. An RBI single for Alex, and the game is tied at 2.
Here is Refsnyder with first and third, 2 out. 1-0 is line to left field. It's a base hit. Scoring is Didi. Holding at second is Gardner. It's a base hit and an RBI by Refsnyder.
This is a bit of a grind tonight for him. He doesn't seem like he has overall his best stuff and his best command. Fly ball. Center field drifting over is Hicks. He puts it away. And that'll do it here in the fifth. No runs a hit. And 1 man left.
Now Tanaka will deal 3-2 to Park. Struck him out swinging slider away. So comes up with a big pitch when he has to. Here's Kurt Suzuki. 1 on and 1 out, and the pitch is chopped to short. Didi goes to Castro, 1 on to first, double play. Now I got Suzuki finally on a 6-4-3 DP, and Tanaka escapes with the lead. Well, Aroldis Chapman comes on for the save. The 0-2 is strike 3 called on the inside corner. Ball game over. Yankees win. The Yankees win.
The bullpen trio of no runs DMC with 3 perfect innings and 5 Ks as the Yanks finish off a 5-3 win, improving to 4-1 against the Twins this season. Masahiro Tanaka worked 6 innings to improve to 4-0 in 4 career starts against the Twins with a 2.48 ERA. Eduardo Escobar had his 6-game RBI streak snapped for Minnesota.